Yeah, start. Okay. So, who is ready to make a
Hello, sir.
sentence by using words for liking? So, we are going to start with revision. Then I have one more topic.
Yes,
I
sir.
have already sent you everything in your email.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, Sheikh Akhtar was absent yesterday. So, let me go to our legal girl from Kerala,
Yes,
Sridhara.
sir.
Okay.
Srivani.
Shivani. Yeah.
Srivani.
Yeah,
Srivani.
Shivani, got it. Now I have saved your name, Shivani. Okay. So let me start with you today. So please try to make some sentences by using your liking and liking only. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Adore my parents and by talking with sir in these 2 days. Children are very fond of chocolates. They like its taste, and singers have captivated everyone's mind. And I am affectionate to songs.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. So Shivani is fond of speaking English.
Yes, sir. I'm very fond of speaking in English by talking with you, sir,
Thank you
in
very
these
much.
2 days.
Okay. So one more. Anuj Delhi. Yesterday, Anuj also made nice sentences by using these all words. So Anuj,
Thank you, sir. My first word is keen on. Keen on. Uh, I'm keen on to learn to speak English fluently. And second is captivated. When our Prime Minister Narendra Modi start speaking, people get captivated uh, because of his uh, knowledge about the activities going in our country. And I adore Amitabh Bachchan because he's a very, as you say, we know Amitabh Bachchan because of his work, not because of his face. And fond of. um I got I fond of um, I fond of
be fond
you
of means I am
because
fond
of
of.
you.
Yeah, I am fond of. Be fond of. Actually, the whole
I
word is be fond of is a phrase. Yeah.
okay. Uh, we all fond of to learn English because of you.
Thank you.
You shared your videos on YouTube and affectionate. Uh, a feeling of liking for a person in a affectionate. Uh, I I'm affectionate to my
Towards
parents.
great people, to my parents, to great people.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all.
These are my sentence.
Yeah. Okay. So very nice. You have tried to make sentences so other can understand what we studied yesterday, what we practiced yesterday, and now we have a new topic. Can you guess my new topic today?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, this is
For
Bipin.
disliking.
I want to make sentence. Can you
Yeah.
make a chance?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. First of all, keen on. She was keen on going to America on 4th April this year, but all are happening due to coronavirus.
Oh, Bipinda, so sad for you. No, all people have dreamed to go to US, and you just very close to go to US, and it happens. Okay. So shall we
Okay.
start a new topic?
Yes, sir.
Can you see
Yes, sir.
something? I am showing you something.
What is it?
Can
but I like that. But I like this.
Bitter
recipe.
gourd.
all people have actually this. Why it is in my kitchen actually? Because I also like it. So, but my daughter doesn't like. My daughter dislike eating
Okay.
bitter gourd. One more thing.
It's
Do
like
you like this?
Mango.
mango.
What is
Yeah.
it? Mango. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
Do you
much.
like?
Sir,
Maybe I dislike. I like,
if it is sour, we just
Oh,
Like,
but I am
See,
fond
no
of
to say
Mango.
chatpata in English.
Sorry?
What to say chatpata in English?
Huh?
What to say chatpata in English? Khatta mittha chatpata in
Khatta
English.
means soury. Soury salt. Sour. When you go to the restaurant, you always order hot and sour soup. So soury. Soury means khatta, okay? But it's a raw mango. In Hindi, kacha okay. So vegetables and fruits are not our topic today. Our topic is different. So let's go. Yeah. So can you see on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Words and expressions relating to disliking and stronger way of disliking. In the simple way, you can say I dislike. I dislike. Okay, I dislike this subject. I don't like that subject. In simple way, we everyday use. But here we are to improve our English. Here we are to practice our English. So let's learn some new vocabulary. And these are called the stronger way of disliking. Okay, loathe, loathe, dislike or disgust for. So I loathe people who don't follow rules during lockdown. Means I hate too much. Okay, I hate too much, then I can say loathe. And let me tell you my personal thing. I loathe TV serials. I like to watch movies, really. I am fond of watching movies, but I loathe TV serials. That's why we don't have television at my home. Is it clear? Loathe means dislike, disgust for. I loathe people who don't follow rules during lockdown. Next word is detest. So all have same meaning. You dislike too much. Detest. If you really detest him, you will stay away from him. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So loathe and detest. Hate. It's not hate, okay? It's a hate. Hate means dislike too much. I hate eating non-vegetarian food. Okay, don't take personally. You have your liking and disliking, but I'm talking about my personal. Okay, I hate vegetarian food, but I don't hate people who eat non-veg. Okay, that is their right to eat non-veg or not. So I hate eating non-vegetarian food, but I don't hate people who eat non-veg. Because I respect their liking and disliking. Cannot stand. Cannot stand means dislike. I can't stand bad manners. I can't stand bad manners. Okay, you all know that I'm a teacher in a school. I teach teenagers, especially in the 9th and 10th standard. So I never get angry when they don't understand anything. If they can't understand anything, they make mistakes, I never get angry. But when their behavior is not good, if they have bad manners, then sometimes I get angry with them. So got it? I can't stand misbehavior. I can't stand bad manners in my classroom. And same meaning you can say can't bear. I can't bear misbehavior, bad manner, or I can't bear bad mannered people. So here we have tried to study 5 different words to talk about our disliking, strong disliking. In the simple way, you can say I don't like, I dislike. But these are the stronger way to talk about your disliking. Is it clear? So now the ball is in your court, okay?
Yes.
So my cup of tea is over. Now the ball is in your court. Yeah, so let me start with
Yes, sir.
Pankaj, are you ready?
No, sir. Sujit is ready.
Okay, who is ready?
Sir, I'm ready.
I am ready, sir.
Can
Sujit
I,
Mishra.
can I start?
Okay, so if you are ready, then you are willing to speak some sentences. Okay.
Yeah.
Who is willing to speak some sentences by using dislike? Okay, Santha Janjanam. Okay, I welcome you. Okay, you are a new speaker on our online show, so I welcome you. So I would like to give you chance first. Okay, so please make some sentences. Then Surjit Misra, be ready.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, madam. Turn on your audio first. Please turn on your audio. Here on your mobile, there is a symbol of okay. Meanwhile, okay, I will come to you. I'm really sorry for that. Yeah,
Sorry,
that's
sir.
all. Yeah.
Sir, can I speak?
So yes, first introduce yourself in 2 sentences, then start making sentences.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Can I speak, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, my name is JVN Santa. I am an English teacher working in a ZPHS school, Nidamaru. It is in Andhra Pradesh. I am from Andhra Pradesh, sir. I am staying in Vijayawada, but I am working in a village. I finished my MA BEd, sir. This
So
is
that's
about
good.
me.
That's good. That's why you have a lot of confidence to make sentence. That's why you raise your hand. I'm ready to make sentences.
Raise my hand.
Okay. So yes. So it's our pleasure to listen some sentences from you.
Okay, sir. First thing, first sentence is from Loth. Loth. I loathe people who spread gossips. That is the first thing. Second one is distest. She detested traveling in the hot summer. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 3 is hate. I hate sweets. Next, fourth one is I can't stand. I can't stand in her. I can't stand in the sight of her. She is obnoxious. Next, fifth one is I can't bear to leave our country.
So yeah. So when you were speaking, I thought that I'm in the classroom and you are my teacher now. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
So now Surjit Mishra.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir. My first sentence on loath. If you loathe your financial situation, then consider going on a budget. The second one is detest, sir. I detest people who tell lies. And third one is hate. Be kind to those who hate you. And fourth one is can't stand. I can't stand people smoking around me when I am eating. And the last and final one is cannot bear. I cannot bear to be alone. That's it, sir.
Okay, very nice sentences.
Can I, sir, one
Yeah,
thing?
yeah.
I think that is not beard, B-E-A-R-D. That pronunciation is, I think, bear. I can't bear.
Yeah, bear. I can't bear. I can't bear. Yes, correct. Okay, so now Pankaj Ambe. So thank you very much for correcting the mistake of my friend.
Actually, sir, my sentences and the one of the guy I forgot his name. My sentence and his sentences is same.
Okay, so I want to teach you one more structure. Just listen to me, okay? Sir, he has spoken the same sentence as I wanted to speak. He has spoken the same sentences as I wanted to speak. Is it clear?
Okay.
He has spoken the
Yes,
same
sir.
sentences
Yes, sir.
as I wanted to speak.
As I want. Okay.
Okay, this is the structure, and native English speakers uses these all type of structures. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So anybody wants to speak sentences by using these words? Yes, Narendra from Gujarat and Nageshwar, be ready.
Thank you so much, sir. Very good evening. Okay, I have made some conversation between Sunil and Sunita. First, Sunil is saying, I loathe like cricket. And Sunita, I like tennis, but I detest cricket. Sunil, why do you hate cricket? Sunita, because in my society, children breaks our window glasses when they are playing cricket. So I cannot stand their behavior and their game. So I cannot bear this game. So I hate cricket.
So very nice, Narendra. I like your creativity. I like your creativity. Okay. So you have made very simple how to explain these words and how to learn words easily. Good. Now, Nageshwar.
Sir, I made one paragraph. I'm teaching in a small village. The children are belong to a poor families. Some children hate coming to school. Before I come to school there, I detest some parents who are not responsible to send their children to school. Sometimes I could not bear, so I conduct meetings and say to the parents the value of the education. Yes, sir.
So this is a sign of teacher and creative teacher. Very nice. So I can imagine you must be loving teacher there, and you must be loved by all students.
Yes, sir. My children very much liked me because I spend my time with my children very freely. They feel loved me. Yes.
Okay, so Ranjana Goswami, then Sheikh Akhtar, be ready.
Okay, sir. So my first sentence is load. I load papaya when I was child. And second, detest. I detest when I was failing. And hate. I hate to face people and cannot stand. I cannot stand my neighbor wise and cannot bear. Teacher cannot bear a student who makes noise.
Perfect.
Yes,
Wow, very nice sentences. So day by day you are improving and you are getting more and more confidence. So I like your confidence. Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
Sheikh Akhtar, this
Because
is your
of
turn.
you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Yeah, Sheikh Akhtar.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. So I'm going to make sentence first. Loathe. I loathe those person who is spread
Rumors.
is rumors or scraps. Says yes. So my friend it is so hey, I really hate those persons who used to speak like, and third can't stand. So I can't stand with the illogical argument. Third one is fifth one is can't be there. So I can't bear the irresponsible persons.
I can't bear irresponsible person. Very nice sentences. Superb. So though you were absent yesterday, today you have covered everything. Okay.
I think so.
So now I would like to go to Assam and Tripura.
After that, Kolkata.
After that, yeah, Rajkumar. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, your camera is off, so how can I recognize if Rajkumar is here or not? Okay, so Papia Tripura, and where is Lakshmi? Absent. So Papia Tripura, now this is your turn to make sentences.
Yes, sir. So Pooja and Ravina are planning to invite some friends over their party. So they start to decide what to add in their party or what not. So firstly, they think of that they will add ice cream because most of people like it, but they do not add sweets because some of people hate it very much. So they also try to invite people who don't gossip behind people because they find very because they cannot bear the persons who gossips behind others. So they also try to add some dishes which they like, and they add some dishes which are tasteful, but they sorry sir, I can't find some words. Whenever I talk, I just don't find some words to make sentences. I am facing these problems.
Okay, no problem, Papia. But
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. So now, Rajkumar.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Today I'm going to make a sentence by using the unlike phrasal verbs and unlike vocabulary. I detest to get up early in the morning, but anyhow I manage myself and I went to downstairs to take shower. After some time I went to my aunt room. I have seen there were new TV, new channel running on the TV. I loathed there because they were not supporting the distance. They were not supporting the pandemic situations. I hate because people were not talking about the positive things. And I cannot stand whoever talking illogical in this pandemic situation like COVID-19. Thank you, sir, for giving the chance.
Okay. So now, are you not in India?
Oh, I'm in India only.
So there is no electricity there?
Yeah, there. It is here.
Why your camera is off?
It's on, sir, actually.
Then what's the problem?
Wait, I will check.
Yeah.
Sir, camera is on already.
Okay, so yeah,
Oh,
now.
came.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay, now let's go to where is Sujit from Kolkata?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, my all of friends. My first sentence is, I loathe doing homework. Sorry, my mistake. I loathe doing housework on Sunday. And my second is detest. I detest terrorists who will kill our soldiers. Then next is hate. I hate those people who never help poor people. Can't stand. I know he can't stand the sight of criminal. And last sentence is cannot bear. I can't bear the thought of being without him. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very nice sentences. And now you are able to speak with a lot of pauses, with confidence. So it shows your improvement.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
So let me go to Poonam Bhardwaj. Then Ratesh Punch. Poonam Bhardwaj, can you hear me? Hello. Okay. So dear friends, we have only 9 minutes left in this first session, and we have one more session after that. So let me go to next Ratesh Punch. Poonam Bhardwaj is not ready now. So let's go to Ratesh Punch. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Am I audible to you?
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Okay. So myself, Prachi Bhardwaj. Poonam Bhardwaj is my mother name.
Oh, sorry for that.
Okay, it's okay. Actually, I'm using my mother's phone.
Okay, so are you ready to make
So,
sentences? Yeah.
yes, sir. My first word is loath. I loathe people who discriminate people on the basis of gender, color, religion, sex, etc. Detest. I detest negative thinking. Hate. I cannot bear indiscipline at the time of work. I can't stand hypocrite people. I dislike politics on religion.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So you have
Thank
a
you, sir.
strong belief, and I think you are very confident girl. Okay, very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Now Ratesh Punch. What's the problem, Ratesh? You are not audible now.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good evening to all of you. Okay, sir. I am going to again try to cover this all up in a short paragraph. I'm going to suggest a movie to someone. Yesterday, I suggested a movie to one of my friends, Suhas, who is a movie buff. I suggested him to watch the half of it movie on Netflix. To my surprise, he loathed it after watching the trailer. But I just love it, and he detested it right away. I guess it's a matter of taste. Let me tell you one more thing about Suhas. He hates sad movies. Additionally, not only he can't stand Indian soap operas, but also can't bear reality shows like Big Boss. He believes these are too many these days, and they are just cheap TV because they are adversely impacting the young generation. Thank you, sir.
That's good. That's good. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Ankan Shah. Then Madhu Hyderabad.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
So my first word is loathe. I loathe the people who have two faces. And the second one is detest. I detest them who hurt the poor animals. And the third one is cannot stand. So I have a question.
Yeah.
So can we use for after cannot stand?
What?
Can we use for after the phrase cannot stand?
I cannot stand then.
Can we use the word for after the phrase cannot stand?
No. Full word is I cannot. Why are you using for? Directly object you have to use. I can't stand people who are speaking lie. I can't stand this type of behavior.
Okay, got it. Okay. Then I cannot stand the people who have bad behavior. And the last one is cannot bear. I cannot bear the people who interrupt in others' life.
That's it. Okay, very nice. So Ankan looks very cool. Okay. Okay, so Piyush is raising his hand. Piyush.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening to all. Sir, my first sentence is loath. Yeah. I loathe wandering without any purpose with my friends. And second is detest. I detest dishonest person. Third is hate. I hate watching movies. And fourth is cannot stand. I cannot stand maths and physics numericals. And fifth is beer. I can't bear who irresponsible in his life. That's all, sir.
Okay. Piyush is a great listener. Now Parmeshwar. Yeah, Parmeshwar.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, my dear friends. I have made a small story by using these words. There are two friends living in same village. In their childhood, they have loved each other. But as they have grown up, they became very close friends. They detest their school where they are studying. Both of them always insult their classmates and make fun of them. So their classmates hate them and can't stand to talk to them. Even teachers also can't bear to teach them as they always make nuisance. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So you are also, Parmeshwar is also very creative. He is using all words in a paragraph. Okay.
Thank you,
so Madhu from Hyderabad, have you got your chance? Hello, Madhu from Hyderabad. We have 2 minutes left in this session. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
So now,
Hello.
Krisha,
Could
yeah.
I speak something?
No. Let her speak. No, please. I'm really sorry, Rajkumar. But still, some speakers have not got chance. So I'm really sorry for that. Madhu, Hyderabad, and then Krishan, then advocate from Hyderabad. Yeah, Krishan. Hello. Yeah, Madhu.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Sir, my first sentence is Lothe. I loathe people who were not wearing helmet while driving two-wheelers. And detest. I detest to watch horror movies. Hate, sir. I hate people who do not respect their parents. Cannot bear. Sir, please don't exit from this session. I cannot bear it. Thank you,
Okay. Now, Madhu, we have 1 minute.
If you give a chance.
Okay, we have one more session. If you want to say something, then we have one more session for 40 minutes, so you can speak a lot. Because in the second session, we are going to practice model auxiliaries. And how many of you can understand Hindi very well? No one.
Me, sir.
Me, sir, me.
All.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We can understand.
So I'm going to tell you one incident of my life. I hope you would enjoy a lot. Okay. So I'm going to perform in 1.5 minutes. I will take your 1.5 minutes for Hindi language. I know that this is not the platform of Hindi language, but there is a story. That's why I have to tell. Okay, and that is one more talent. So we all are friends now. So I would like to share with you. Is this clear for you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Absolutely clear.
Okay. So you enjoy a lot and